Hello guys, welcome to technojob.in. Here we are with a new aptitude type of problems, that is we are going to deal with LCM and HCF in this video. So before going in detail and the process how to solve the LCM and HCF, I would like to tell about our platform, that is technojob.in. We provide jobs for B.Tech students and also give information about government jobs, private jobs, walk-in drives, off-campus drives, internships, and also tech news. So coming to the LCM and HCF. What is LCM? Lowest common multiple. And what is HCF is highest common factor. All will be get confused what is an LCM, how to take an LCM, how to take HCF from the given numbers. So in this video I'm going to tell you about a clear cut information about LCM and HCF. So let us consider an example of 6,8. What is the LCM? So the old method which we are doing is this: 6 and 8, which they are getting solved like with 2, right? 2 3s are 2 4s are. So what is that? By multiplying these three numbers, we got 2 into 3 into 4 is 24. The LCM of the 6 and 8 is 24. That is the same number which is multiple by 6 and 8, and which is the least common multiple is taken as the least number is taken as least common multiple. See, actually what is the how we initially solve the 6 table and 8 table. We are going to write in that 24 is the least common, that it is common, right? Common multiple that we are going to take it. So, and coming to this HCF of 6 and 8. What is an HCF? It is nothing but if we taken 6, here we have taken the 6 table. Here we doesn't take the 6 table. We will be taking the 6 in which it is going to be solved. The 6 is going to be cancelled in 1 table, 2 table, 3 table and 6 table, as well as the 8. So here we have common as 1 and 2. So what we have to take? Here is a doubt for you all guys. That is, you can take HCF is nothing but highest. So you have to take a 2 as a HCF because highest common factor, or else you have another procedure 6,8, right? So just divide 8 with 6. So what you got? 2. Till you get 0, you have to do that. Then when you get a 0, that one is considered as an HCF. So see, 6 ones are 6, here 2 is remained. So again 6 with 2. So here is a 0. So HCF is 2. Here we are taking HCF as a 2. So this is the procedure how you do the LCM and HCF. But we won't follow this procedure because it takes a lot of time. Aptitude is nothing but you have to maintain your time and you have to do in a very simple way. So this is how you solve it and this is how you got the information, but we are not going to do in this very big process. Okay, this is how you will take a least common multiple and highest common factor. See here 6,8. Here I'll be telling you one formula, that is 6 into 8. The LCM of 6 and 8 is 24 and the HCF of 6 and 8 is 2. So 48 equal to 48, right? So by this, the product of two numbers is equal to LCM into HCF. This is the formula for the LCM and HCF. LCM into HCF is nothing but product of two numbers. So let's get started with some problems. So how we'll be solving it? See, find the LCM and HCF of 20, 50, 75. See, here we have a different process how to find an LCM. First let us consider an LCM. So here let us take as a case 1. So 20, 50, 75. See, here by doing that 25, 50 and 75 with 2 table, with 5 table, that takes a lot of time and the time waste. So directly you can do is just take the last number or just take the highest number. So 75. So 75 ones are 75. 75 will not go in, it will go in 25 but not in 50, so that is not the one. So 75 twos are 150. 150 will be cancelled by 25 and also by 50, so here we'll take LCM as a 150. So or else you have an other method too. You can eliminate the numbers which you have when you have a more numbers. Okay, see 20, 50 and 75. So 20, 50 and 75, see 25 can cancel by 50, right? 25 can cancel 50, right? So we will eliminate 25 because they do get cancelled. So in this now we will be taking 50 and 75. So 75 ones are 75 and 75 twos are 150. So 150 will be getting cancelled, so that we will take LCM as a 150. So why, how you are solving this, why you are doing like this, you get a you get a doubt here actually. But let me consider, see if you have a large of numbers like 5 or 6, it is very difficult. So eliminating method is a good method, which at last you remain 2 numbers or 3 numbers, finding from them is very much easy, right? See, let us consider an example. See 2, 4, 8, 10. 2 will 4 will be get cancelled by 2, right? And 8 will be get cancelled by 4. So at last what we got? 10. So 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 20 threes are 30 and 10 fours are 40. 40 will be get cancelled by 8. So the LCM of 2, 4, 8, 10 is 40. This is how you will be solving. Now the LCM of 25, 50, 75 is 150. And let's get started with the HCF. So HCF we can take as 25, 50 and 75 is there, no? So you can take first two numbers and 25, 50, get divide 50 by 25, then you got a 0. Okay, this one you can consider it as an HCF or temporary, not a permanent. So just do it 25 again with 75, then it also get cancelled. So now you can consider a permanent HCF is a 25. If it is not getting cancelled by 75, if not, I'm telling if not, then 25 is not an HCF. So you have to be clear with it. So now for this one is LCM is 150 and HCF is 25. And here we have an other type of problems. Find the LCM and HCF of 4 by 3, 8 by 9 and 3 by 5. See, by seeing these fractions you really get confused at what to do and what we have to do it. So there is a simple logic in this. Just remember a formula for this. LCM is nothing but LCM of numerators and HCF of denominators. Have to remember this. LCM are numerators and denominators. Just remember, when you want to find out LCM, just on the top of that you can have LCM of numerators and down as HCF of denominators, obviously the opposite one. Okay, so we'll be starting, see here 4 by 3, 8 by 9 and 3 by 5, right? And here LCM of, we have to take a numerators. Numerator is the top of as we take a fraction, the top one is a numerator and bottom one is a denominator. So 4, 8 and 3. See here, you'll find out an LCM of 4, 8 and 3. See, 8 is get cancelled by 4. So we'll be eliminating 4. So we have to consider 8 and 3. See, in 3 table, if you write in 3 table, 24 only will be cancelled by 8. So the LCM is 24 here. And here HCF of 395. Just do the first two numbers as an division. 9, 3. So you got a 0. Okay, 3 is considered as a temporary HCF, not a permanent. Just remember this, temporary HCF, not a permanent. It should be get cancelled by the two numbers. It should be get cancelled with a 9 and it should be cancelled with a 5 too. So now we will be taking a 5. Here see, you didn't get a 0. So again do with 3. So then also you got an 1. It is not get cancelled. Again do with 2. So at last you got an 0. So this is the permanent HCF and 3 is not the permanent HCF. And here you can have another method. See, 3 for in one table it get cancelled and 3 table 9 1 3 9 5 table 1 and 5. The highest common factor is 1, right? That's all. 1 is a highest common factor. Here what we have, already we know that LCM is LCM of numerators by HCF of denominators. What we got, LCM of numerators 24 and HCF is 1. 24 by 1 is 24. And HCF, see, there LCM means you will get on the top LCM, HCF means you will get on the top HCF. HCF of numerators by LCM of denominators. So here HCF of 483, because 4 by 3, 8 by 9 and 3 by 5 is the given problem, right? So HCF of 483. So when we get, see here also, do first for the 2, you got on 0. 4 is a temporary HCF. Now 4 with again 3. So you didn't get it here. Just do it in a process. Here you got an HCF is 1. When you get an 0, then that one will be considered as an HCF. So HCF of 483 is 1. And LCM of 395. 9 will be get cancelled by 3, so eliminate 3. So 9 and 5 is there. So in 5 table 45 will be get cancelled by 9. So LCM of 395 is 45. You can do in a other method also, you will be getting this itself, but this is a very short method that you can solve the problems. So HCF of 483 is 1 and LCM of 395 is 45. So HCF is 1 by 45. That's all. Here see, find the LCM of 5 by 2, 8 by 9, 11 by 14. Here I am not going to do in a deep method, just writing the formula, LCM of 5, 8, 11 and HCF of 2, 9, 14. See, here by seeing it itself, there is no any common thing. 5, 8 and 11. They are not even getting cancelled and no table will be same. So by seeing the numbers itself you can find out. So directly you can multiply. 5 8s are 40, 40 into 11 equal to 440. So here 2 9 14. See, 2 9 14. If you take here also, you'll not get any table repeated. See, 1 2 is the 2 and 9 is 1 3 9, 14 is 1 2 7 14. So highest common factor is 1. So LCM is 440 by 1 is nothing but 440. And here HCF of 5 8 11 by LCM of 2 9 14. Here see, LCM HCF is the thing which should have a common thing, but in 5 8 11 nothing common, just 1 is a common, so you will take 1 as it. And here 2 9 14 LCM, see, 2 will get cancelled, 14 will be get cancelled by 2, you eliminate 2, so just 9 and 14. But here by seeing the number doesn't get cancelled by any other number, so you can directly multiply. 9 into 14 is nothing but 126. That's all. And HCF is 1 by 126. See, I already okay, let's see this problem. The HCF and LCM of two numbers are 18 and 3780. If one of the number is 540, then find the second one. So I already said you that LCM into HCF equal to product of two numbers. So here whatever the matter is given, just write it down. HCF is 18, LCM is 3780, and let's consider two numbers be x and y. So they given one of the number, just consider it as an x, 540, and y is, you have to find out the y. As we know that product of two numbers equal to LCM into HCF. So here already we know that 540, one of the number is given. So 540 into y equal to HCF into LCM. So 18 into 3780. So y is 126. So other number is 126. To get confirm, 18 into 3780 will be same as 540 into 126. Just multiply it, then you'll be clearly knowing that it is same or not. So this is how we'll solve the LCM and HCF. So we'll have some more problems of this later in the next part, and the link of the unit digits is given in the description. So if you miss that unit digit videos, you can go into the description and click on the link. You'll be getting know about the unit digits. And thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.